Hey guys, this video is about some places we can travel on weekends. I know traveling for fun and to explore it seems like an impossible prospect because of this corona thing. I myself love to travel a lot. I had my plans too like you guys had, but the summer of 2020 isn't like the summer we were looking for. Yet I'm here with some places we can travel once this all goes away, and guys, only travel once it's safe to do so. And in the meantime, we can gather all the information about the places we want to travel. Here are the places where you can travel to. The novelty comes as a pleasant surprise for the enthusiastic weekend travelers. The novelty is away from crowds, busy marketplaces and pollution. ये एक आइडियल लोकेशन है that ensures absolute peace of mind and soul. यहाँ पर 2 eco parks हैं and it houses a protected patch of small forest containing deodar trees. This place is heaven for campers and this camp offers outdoor activities. The best part about this place is that यहाँ पर सभी के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है, which makes it the perfect place to visit for families and large group of friends. Chindi is a must visit for any traveler looking to get away from the crowded places. Walk around the village, visit the temples in surrounding villages, walk through the pine forests during daytime. Popular temple in the region are Chandika Devi Temple, Mamleshwar Temple, Kamakhya Devi Temple. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे apple farms भी हैं, which offer apple picking experiences. पूरा हिमाचल is perfectly suited for trekking and hiking. Karsog itself is the base for many treks, including the treks to Shikari Devi, Kamru Nag and Mahu Nag. Apart from these major treks, the hills are full of devdar and pine trees, जो trekking को और भी enjoyable बनाती हैं. Peer Billing does not invoke any second thoughts when it comes to paragliding. Being the best place to enjoy this aerosport, किसी भी adventure seeker की wish list पर Peer Billing सबसे ऊपर है. Beer is a noted center for ecotourism, spiritual studies and meditation. Beer Billing is a huge Tibetan community and home to some beautiful monasteries and delicious Tibetan food. And अगर adventure ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, then you can enjoy the beautiful treks around or rent a mountain bike to explore the virgin tracks. There are several institutions in Beer that attract students, tourists, volunteers and other visitors from around India and from abroad. Lansdowne is unlike other hill stations as it is well connected with motorable roads but remote in its own way. Lansdowne इंडिया के क्वाइटेस्ट हिल स्टेशन में से एक है. Lansdowne is a perfect place to do nothing, just indulge in camping, nature walks, bird watching and capture beautiful frames. But फिर भी अगर कुछ करने का मन करता है तो बुलाताल बोट राइड, स्नो व्यू पॉइंट ट्रैक, टिप एंड टॉप हाइकिंग, जंगल सफारी. These are some of the popular things to do in Lansdowne. सानासर is a wonderful destination for adventure. सानासर के लैंडस्केप्स और मेडोज को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए पैराग्लाइडिंग भी एक ऑप्शन है. If you are tired of skiing and trekking amidst the hilly areas, you can visit Sanasar for the ultimate experience of horse riding, hot air ballooning and camping. Surnikund is a small pond on the high Shankpal ridge. You can also visit several tourist spots such as Nag Temple, the Hidden Creek, and the waterfalls in the nearby areas during your trip. Kosani is a backpacker's happy place and a writer's dreamland. इसकी नेचुरल ब्यूटी की वजह से महात्मा गांधी dubbed Kosani as the Switzerland of India. One can explore the ancient caves lying near the falls. It's a place जहाँ छोटे बड़े बहुत temples हैं and all of them holds a historic and religious importance. It's a perfect getaway and it's famous for its wide scenic views of some of the tallest peaks of Himalayas like Nanda Devi and Panchachuli. And if you love chai, it's a paradise for tea lovers. Keep a keen eye as the estate is also a prime location for bird lovers to spot a few rare species. Prashar Lake is a beautiful and small blue water lake located in Prashar Forest Range. लेक के पास में एक बहुत बड़ा कैंपिंग ग्राउंड है। लेक के बीच में एक फ्लोटिंग आइलैंड है which is called Fumdi Island and this mass of vegetation keeps changing its location but at a very slow pace. The lake has religious significance and needs to be respected according to local traditions. The temple is dedicated to Rishi Prashar and invites pilgrims from all over. As per the legend, true depth of the lake is still unknown. Kanatal is a small village and a hill station. लोग यहाँ camping and trekking के लिए आते हैं and lose themselves in the immense lush green beauty. Start your day with some sightseeing in Kanatal. You can visit the Sarkanda Devi temple which is the highest point here. You can also drive to the Tehri Dam. Kodai Jungle in Kanatal is a perfect place for nature walks. You can also engage yourself in some fun adventure activities like rock climbing or valley crossing. You can go on jungle safari by hopping onto a jeep. Experience a homestay or camping and engage in the culture of the locals.